Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Sabrina Andin Rahmawati. Here I will present an article with the title Personality Structure of the Character in Short Story Sagra Apicita by Oka Rusmini. Okay, first I will explain about introduction, research method, data collection technique, data analysis technique, literature review, result and discussion, and conclusion. Introduction. Literature and psychology have a complex, interdependent, and functional relationship. The relationship is not direct as both psychology and literature study the mental state of others. They are functionally interconnected. The difference is that the symptoms in psychology are genuine, while thoughts in literature are imaginary. It can be said that literature is the translation of the written word into the mother tongue, or better known as the experience of the soul. Therefore, this can be explained by the fact that literature is unable to answer psychological problems. Literary science also reveals that literature is the result of the author's use of language to create works of art that are intended for a specific purpose. And literature is the result of the author's experience of his own emotion, which include the author's psychological atmosphere and the atmosphere of feeling related to emotion. Research method. The method used in this research is descriptive qualitative method. Descriptive method can be interpreted as a problem-solving procedure investigation by describing the state of the subject or object of research. Novel, drama, short story, at the present time based on the fact that appear or as they are Siswantoro, while according to Shodihanana, qualitative method is a way to describe events, social activities, attitude, belief, and talk of people individually or in group. The data of this research is sourced from a collection of Sagra short story entitled Apicita by Oka Rusmini. The data used in study are in the form of word and action related to the personality structure of the character Sita based on a review of literature psychology. Data and data source. Primary data, the short story Sagra Apicita by Oka Rusmini, published by PT Gramedia Widya Sarana Indonesia Jakarta, published in 2017 with a thickness of 194 page, second printing. And then data collection technique. The data collection technique in this research use textual analysis, which means a study that discusses the content and meaning of characterization in relation to the overall plot structure. Data analysis. The data collection process is the research was carried after stage 1, reading the entire short story entitled Apicita by Oka Rusmini relate to the personality structure of the character Sita. Number 2, observation of the content and story of the short story Apicita. Number 3, research classify the data according to the personality structure of Sita's character by looking at Sigmund Freud personality structure, which include ID, ego, and superego. Number 4, reading and understanding reference books that are considered relevant. Literature review, definition psychology of literature, and psychoanalysis personality theory. And then result and discussion. According to Freud in his psychoanalytic theory, behavior is the result of the conflict of three personality systems. The three systems in question are it located in the subconscious, which is the source of psychic energy, the ego located between the conscious and subconscious, which function as a mediator that reconciles the ego desires and the superego prohibition, and the superego located partly in the conscious and partly in the subconscious, which is the result of education and identification of good behavior from parents. Okay, ID. The ID is a personality system that is carried from birth. From this ID will later emerge a new structure in the human psyche, namely the ego and superego. The ID emphasizes humans to fulfill basic needs such as eating, sexual needs, rejecting pain or discomfort. And ego, the ego is a personality system that developed in order for a person to be able to deal with reality. It operates between the conscious and the unconscious, and its main task is to provide the main mental function such as reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. It can be said that the ego is the main leader of the three personality structure. Okay, superego is a personality system that refers to moral or generally accept good and bad behavior. The superego is similar to the conscience that recognize good and bad. The superego encourages the ego to bring out the moralistic rather than the realistic and to aim for perfection. The quotes in the short story Abisita of the main character Sita is a small flower in her crown that was often hungry at night. The little flower would burst open, flowing white water every time her hand rubbed it. Great pleasure but the nervous of her brain. The idea found in Sita character is natural because there is desire to get the pleasure she wants. Ego, the woman unraveled her hair, then thrust the razor-sharp samurai into Sawer's heart, over and over again until the white kimono was stained with blood that spurted from Sawer's body. After that, the cold object was thrust into her heart. The woman gasped coldly while scooping the blood from her body into her face. In this quote, there is an ego found in the character Sita. The ego contained in the quote is the result of the conflict between ID and superego, and the ego is only to get momentary satisfaction. In this way, Sita felt satisfied. Sawer did at her hand because Sawer broke his promise and would marry another girl. It can be said that the ego in the quote above obeys the wish of the unconscious who wants to escape from his suffering. The superego, making her mom grumpy, was a fun game for Sita. Her mom would glare and continue to nag while doing household chores. For Sita, her mother was a friend as well as a mirror. Everyone in the village respect her mother. The quote above indicates the superego found in Sita character. There are moral value in the quote above. There is good moral value because Sita realizes that she and her mother are like mirror. However, she continues her escape watch from of bad moral because it makes her mother clear and nag and instead thinks it's fun. Okay, and then implication for education. And first, the concept of anxiety in each individual can be processed and developed by a teacher. Yes, with this concept, learners are helped to appreciate themselves and others as well as their environment. In other words, the concept of anxiety is directed towards effective or character education. And education should bridge every intelligence possessed by students, develop talent and interest according to their needs. Third, the concept of psychoanalysis, which states that humans are creatures with basic needs and desires. With this concept, teacher can implement it into the world of education, curriculum, or learning tools. For example, educator must conduct various needs and goal analysis so that what they teach will be in accordance with the needs and development of students. For with regard to student aggressive, an educator must be able to control and regulate that attitude so that it is directed to be more positive. Aggressiveness in psychology is a vehicle for students to satisfy their desires that tend to damage, disturb, or hurt others. In other words, aggressiveness is an inappropriate expression of frustration. Finally, the concept of psychoanalysis applied in education is education that leads to the creation of student creativity. We are certainly in the era of the information technology revolution. In this era, every human being is required to have original and best creativity. The successful people of this era are those who have unlimited creativity. Yes, conclusion based on the result of the analysis conducted on the short story Apicita by Oka Rusmini, using Sigmund Freud personality structure theory, which is divided into three parts, namely ID, ego, and superego. The character of Sita is a character who lives in the influence of patriarchal culture, which appears in the short story is the violence committed by men, be it native men for foreign men, again young Balinese woman, and there is also the misery of life that Sita had to live during the Dutch and Japanese colonizer in this short story are portrayed, and there's one who commits sexual violence by raping and also using young women as an outlet for the sexual appetite of the colonist at the time. Yes, that's the presentation that I can convey. Please apologize if there are many mistakes and pronunciation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.